So good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about the business model kinda of Apple. The Apple was first founded in the year of 1976 at the date of April 1. The three pillars of Apple are Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. The Steve Jobs had major role in marketing and vision. Steve Wozniak has designed and engineered the Apple 1, Apple 2 and the computers, and the main important role that Ronald Wayne played is he created the logo of Apple company. Now we now going to see about the key partners of Apple. The key partners of Apple are OEM manufacturers. I mean the other engineering machines materials, the manufacturers and iOS developers. Then iOS developers and then service providers. I mean the cellular data and the service providers. And these shareholders of Apple company are the main key partners of Apple. Mostly the China components are imported and buy from China. Next, boys will explain.
Seeing upon the key resources, Apple has the most Apple is one of the most high value brand which has its own production sector to them. Even though the parts come from China, it has one of the most unique OS in this Apple OS compared to other smart and mobile phones. And seeing upon the intellectual property, it has one of the most intellectual property which has hardware components and even the M1 chip has its own uniqueness comparing to Intel Core and other AMD processors. And seeing upon the brand, it's one of the most unique and flexible brand comparing to Intel and other computers and smartphones as well. And seeing upon
So coming up to the key activities. So major activities like new product development. So Apple has developed they have developed products like laptops, watches and phones and many items like earbuds and all. So the main activities like the main product is to design the objects and R&D system like developing a new one. So this is the main key activity, and second main key activity is like marketing the system. Marketing the brand they have made and marketing the products they have made and so on. So selling the marketing the products like phones and laptops or earbuds or whatever the product they have made via the social media ads or via the social media platforms or advertising and the flex boards and so on. These are the main key activities they have done. And value proportions. The value proportions is like same value proportions like developing the R&D and the making of iOS system and the smoother system in the screening while screening and designing the process and so on. These are the value proportions, major value proportions. So coming to the point like channels like they mainly sells in the Apple stores and in offline they sell in the Apple stores, and in online they have an official site called apple.com. So these are the two major official sites and platforms. And secondly, they can sell via the third party app platforms like Reliance stores, Reliance digital stores and whatever other third parties offline stores, and they have online stores like Flipkart, Amazon and other third party stores. So they can sell their products via these stores. Next, coming to the customer relationship, our friend will explain.
Next, we are seeing about customer relationship. Nowadays, the Apple has been come behind in Coimbatore and etc. of whole our world. Any problem in laptop and mobile phone, we can call the customer and customer service and we can rectify that. Nowadays, the customer service is very good. And next we are seeing about Apple Care. Apple Care means that also the customer service. Now we call means they will take the call fastly and they will rectify the problems as soon as possible. Next we will explain.
So coming to the customer segments, a number of people have been adapted to these Apple culture. Apple industry once started, as they have said, in 1976. From that till now, it will be almost 50 plus years. So they have introduced a number of products such as laptops, smartphones, and headphones likewise. So, so one who is keeping Apple product, it will be seen as the status number. So once we are using Apple products means will be like they will be prioritizing him as a like people one who is holding a high priorities in the society like this. So the customer segments they have been loading at means, so the college students who are seeking their right path towards the society, they are mostly loading the Apple products. So from there from there the child above 7 to till people like 70 years mostly holding the customers. So these are the customer segments of Apple Industries.
So coming to the cost structure.
Yeah, so coming to the cost structure, there are two types of costs they are fixing for the product sale. The first is operational cost. For example, the human errors that are happened that while manufacturing, it will come under the cost structure. And the second one is marketing and branding. For a new product, we must make some marketing and branding for that product. So for that, for marketing and branding, they are spending some cost structure for that product. The next is revenue streams. The revenue streams are of three types. One is product sales and the service subscription and app and media resources. The first one, as I said, the product service. If, for example, any default is happened at the product, we can easily return or we can replace that product officially at the App Store or Apple Store. Next is service subscription. For example, as our friend Palak said, we are supplying some iMusic and iOS software. So for that, the revenue streams will be that form. Next, app and media resources. For we have in Apple software, we have a name called iOS Store. So from that, we are generating some revenues from that, for that installing the software. So these are the BMC of Apple company. Thank you.
Thank you.